Hi there everyone and welcome to nightwatch.io. So by the end of this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to set up your nightwatch.io account, and after watching this tutorial, you'll have an idea of how to sync your Google Analytics account with nightwatch.io and how you can begin optimizing and tracking keywords, not just for your business, but also your competitors. I'll also show you how to analyze your data through graphs, and I'll show you how to visualize and present your data to provide you with more active insights to expanding your organic reach. But firstly, I'm just going to touch on a few overview points on SEO and the advantages behind having a great SEO strategy. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it's a marketing discipline focused on organic, non-paid search engine results. So SEO is really important for any modern day business operating in today's day and age, mainly because it drives relevant traffic to your website. 10 years ago, Google AdWords was relatively cheap, and you could get great results from quite a small budget. But now everyone utilizes Google AdWords, which has driven up the price, and it's also become more competitive. So this makes SEO really important because SEO leads to high converting and sustainable traffic. But it's important to realize that SEO is a marathon and not a sprint. So SEO should be seen as a long-term business strategy and something that you're always working on and tracking. The common misconception is that SEO is difficult, but this isn't strictly true. It does, however, take time to see results. So unlike paid methods in which you see results instantaneously, SEO does take time to get these results. And that's why Google and other giants supposedly hide your data in you truly understanding the nature of your organic traffic. It suits them to push people to invest in paid forms of advertising, such as Google AdWords over SEO. Fortunately, you now have Nightwatch to truly understand the organic nature of your web traffic. Identifying the right keywords is one of the most important things that you can do before you start building your SEO strategy. Keyword research allows you to know more about the search volumes and locations of search phrases that customers use when searching for you online. There are different ways to do this, but we're going to show you with Google Keyword Planner. By now, you should have some knowledge on what people search for when they look for you online. In this example, we'll be doing research for a client that runs an e-commerce store called Zendom, which sells high-quality bed covers. In this case, let's enter a few known phrases that customers might search for when looking for a company such as Zendom. Google Keyword Planner will show you all the relevant and related keywords for those phrases. You can also see the search volumes and a whole lot of other statistics on the actual keywords themselves. And now that we know the keywords, the volumes, and these statistics, we're going to want to build a strategy around targeting these people. And for this, you'll now have to log in to Nightwatch. So let's see how you set this up in Nightwatch. Go to Nightwatch and add the website and enter the keywords that we previously found. Nightwatch enables you to track rankings for any country and language, including precise locations, which are particularly useful for businesses that need to be more precise when tracking their metrics. You can also use Nightwatch to automatically find the relevant keywords for your website by clicking Discover Keywords. By clicking this and by syncing Google Analytics and Search Console, you'll automatically start looking for keywords using Nightwatch's algorithms. So click Start Tracking and Nightwatch will gather all the rankings for the specified keywords. Now don't freak out at this point if you're not ranking. After all, that's why you signed up to Nightwatch. So in this screen, we can start looking at all of our average ranks. So when it moves up, it obviously means that we're doing things right. And we can also address some strategies about improving your ranking in videos to follow. Search visibility and click potential is a metric that shows us how visible our website is and how many clicks we could potentially be getting on a daily basis with our current rankings. Keyword distribution shows how many keywords we have in different top 3, top 10 or top 100 ranges, and the keywords up and down section also shows us how many keywords of ours are going up and down. The most important thing when working on SEO is to track all your keywords and make sure that they're optimized for our business. We should also be keeping an eye out on the performance of our competitors, and the reason for this is because much like in a racing car or in a race, we want to know how the other cars are moving and accelerating, as this information allows us to shape our strategy. So let's go ahead and configure competitors for our website. If we already know who our competitors are, it's really easy to set this up in the Competitors tab in Nightwatch. We can also use automatic keyword discovery to let Nightwatch look for competitors. So let's add 2 competitors to our website, then click Save, and now we've added the competitors, we'll be able to see their rankings and compare them to ours. So in Nightwatch, it takes up to a day for the tool to gather this data. And once you have this, we're able to pull in the keyword overviews and graphs of not just our business, but also our competitors. So let's see how we do this by opening up a certain keyword. I can adjust the data that is displayed by activating custom columns and clicking the pencil icon. I can choose what is displayed however I want to visualize it. We can also choose to see the rank of our competitors against the rank of our business in these columns here. So if I want to go more into the data, we can pull up the graph section of Nightwatch, which gives us more insights and visualizations on our data. So to do this, let's head over to the graph section. In this graph section here, I can visualize anything that Nightwatch is monitoring for us. Click on Add Dimensions, and you'll see the huge volume of information that Nightwatch tracks for you. So here I have a graphical overview of average position, click potential, search visibility, and clicks over a period of a month. To view this in comparison with a competitor, head to Add Dimensions, then the Competitors tab, then click the competitors which you previously added. If we sync our Google Analytics account with Nightwatch, we can then get visuals on how your traffic correlates to your competitors. And if you wish, you can also change the intervals of the data in the top right hand corner and adjust the interval lengths. And if you like the graph, you can also save it to open it faster at a later date. So the next section that's really important and many businesses miss out on is segmenting certain keywords and tracking backlinks. In Nightwatch, you can track all the backlinks and visualize your results. All of our graphs are fully responsive, so by clicking the title, you simply add or remove this information from the graph. Another key factor when analyzing your SEO strategy is to segment your keywords so that you can start competing on a granular level. In Nightwatch, to do this, head over to Keywords, then you can search in the Select Field filter from a huge number of variants. In this instance, we can search for Search Volume Global, and we can select the condition to showcase results that are above, below, or equal in volume to a figure that we can select. You can also save the predefined filters as a view and see these results in graphical format in a detailed view. All these features make it easy to execute a really successful SEO strategy and drive more traffic to your website. So this tutorial has told you how to keep an eye on your keywords and your competitors, and by doing so you'll really be growing your business. The important thing is to measure and observe how changes on your site and backlink building efforts are affecting your visibility. So stay tuned and keep an eye on our blog for other how-to guides on executing a successful SEO strategy.